beautiful green in the spring to the orangey red in the fall. And that one matches up perfect with the coral bark that I just showed you footage of. So, Soulmate is ready to use her drill. Good morning, everybody. On the scene with my amazing Soulmate. We are up in Richmond. Came back here to my parents' house to replace some stuff that died out, figure out why stuff died out. And let me show you this real quick. Such an issue, and I'll explain why. All right, so this was all new construction and it's in nasty red clay. And as we all know, that clay does not drain very well. So even though we did amend the soils correctly, we dug the holes nice and big like we're supposed to, this will kill out crops. See how wet that is? No plant's gonna die there, or no plant's gonna live there. Look at this stuff, Dad. Yeah, nothing's gonna live.
It's
that's like
full
that.
of water.
Yeah, I mean, it's just filled with, it's good hard clay.
Jeez. Yeah. Okay, so many of us know that rhododendrons are very finicky plants, right? They do not like water. They just like it enough to drink it like a little sip to stay alive. Well, this hole right here was where one of those beautiful rhododendrons were. Ooh. Nothing's gonna live in water just sitting like that. Nothing. Not even a weeping willow tree. So we're gonna have to figure this out today, and we're probably gonna use some raised planters for the two rhododendrons. That way the water will drain out of that raised pot and do its thing. So we'll check back in and let you know how many plants we're replacing, and then we'll get some footage of doing all the work today. Okay?
Yeah, I think it's that one. Slow. Well,
I think it's all of them.
that's why it's not telling you. It all looks like they can use a tiny bit of air.
I tell you, it got cold.
It's always cool. Are we taking anything out of this right now?
We're gonna go ask him what's up. Pretty red buds. The yellow one right there. She said, me. No, nothing as pretty as that tree. That tree's amazing. Yep. You're on camera. Yes, you're on camera.
So pretty. Drill like 6 holes, you said?
Yeah. Here we are, about 8 hours later after we checked in with you in the morning. Nice day out?
Yes.
Yeah. So the solution to the bowls that were collecting water from the nice orange yucky clay are container pots. Okay. Now this hole right here, boom, in the middle had an amazing Jap maple in it. Because of the bowl effect, it sat in water the whole season. No one knew that's what was happening, so it got root rot, killed out. A couple other ones we have, a couple laurels. I think we have 6 laurels, and 4 or 5 Nandinas that were not doing good. A couple of them died. All for the same reason. So, because we have an amazing landscape with rocks and other potters that are seasonal flowers involved, we're gonna go ahead and put this amazing Jap maple in this container. And this little guy goes from green, beautiful green in the spring, to the orangey red in the fall. And that one matches up perfect with the coral bark that I just showed you footage of. So, Soulmate is ready to use her drill. And we're gonna use the moisture control for the pots. And my mom will water them. So, we're gonna get this done. Here's the muddy hole. It just holds water because of the clay. You know, we did the soil amendments we were supposed to do, but you can tell the difference between the clay and the amended soil that was actually the tree was planted in. So it is what it is. We figured it out, and Soulmate's gonna do her job. We'll get some footage of the action.
You have 6 holes in the bottom now. Do you want more than 6?
I don't think I need one in 6. It would look like
Little holes. Looks like we could add 2 more.
Yeah, a couple in the middle, maybe.
Alright. Looks good. Good for you? Water drains. Water's custody.
So obviously, we can't plant in a mucky hole, all right? We're gonna fill it in and do the same thing back here in the back to not have any worries about it in the future, okay? We're gonna have 2-3 times blooming azalea that we put in, and we're also gonna replace the rhododendron and rhododendron over there with the same kind of container. So yeah, rhododendrons hate water. We already know that. We've already been through a couple rhododendrons this season for too much water, lack of water, you name it. But here we are.
There's one more.
Huh? Okay, can we not? Please do not get bitten. Begging you.
Wow.
Please be careful. That is enough. It's coming towards you. Are you sure that's what that is?
Uh-huh.
I
It's
don't
definitely
see
a
the
black
thing.
widow. It's on the back side. It's on the underside of them, baby.
Don't. Okay. I see it. I see it. Don't play with him anymore. Please stop.
Well, he can't live here, so.
I know you're gonna have to squish him, aren't you?
Yeah, you're gonna squish him.
That's super sad. Oh, so sad, but
Can't have you hanging out.
can't have you hanging out feeling a little. Oh my God, that scared me.
Well,
It's not that I would have been scared though, but
that's where I
please
just
help me.
grabbed him from, was over
I
there.
know.
So.
Oh wow.
Too funny.
Not cool. No, it was not funny at all.
Kind of
actually.
funny.
Now I
That
don't
was
pick up
kinda
any
funny.
more of these rocks.
I know. Tell me about it.
Now I'm just saying, spiders everywhere. Ugh. That gives me the.
You think?
No, there's no things in here. Like, there's more in here. I don't know how much you want in the bottom. I don't want to play in your rock pile anymore.
You don't want to play my rock pile.
No, it's scary there.
You're funny.
Scary in your rock pile.
You're funny.
It's not funny. Spiders that should not be here.
Black widows.
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, no, it's a no-go for me.
This was the little victim from the front yard. They tried to save it by transplanting it to the backyard, but yeah. And look, this little Nandina, tiny with not much growth because it's having the water issues on the roots. This Nandina over here looks nice and big and healthy. Laurel's healthy, Laurel died. Laurel healthy, Laurel healthy. The whole side of the house is healthy. Sometimes, like people, plants just don't like you or where you put them or where they're living. So that's it, man. A lot like people.
That's sad. Wow.
Even by the time they transplanted it back here.
Yours had more roots than that, I think, when you tried to
Not
save
really.
yours. No?
Not really.
Okay. Wow. That's super sad. Super sad.
What you doing with this?
Freezing. It's cold now.
All right. So we'll have another planter there with the rhododendron. We got the azalea, and we'll have another one down there, rhododendron. We're marking all the replacing plants with big stones so we know where to go. Another potter. Tiny one, roots aren't liking the water. A healthy one, maybe this hole doesn't have that much water. Laurel replacement.
Here. You need to pull it that way so I can not destroy the plant.
Okay, hold on. Hold your horsies.
Trying.
Well, it's a very beautiful tree. I like it a lot.
Alright, can you go turn the water down?
Yep.
It's a little much.
It's a little much.
every time. Be a pretty waterfall.
Yeah. Don't poke yourself in the face.
I know.
You look at me and smile. What's that?
Oh, you're gonna get right now.
Crazy.
Probably it.
Huh?
Oh my gosh.
All right.